you to the center of the train. Stairs clear of the closed doors.
You know.
You let her do it again. You let her do it again. Mommy's bad. And that's why they have no respect. Mommy's mean to you. I do nothing but fucking jump every step and coffee. She's an evil little child, just like her father. Ungrateful, selfish, self-centered prick. You made me this way. You made me this way by not being here. You promised me so many things in this fucking world and never came true. Hey, come to the city. I promise. I'm gonna take you to dinner and everything. Timing, bro. You said that you had to get gear for that. You're arrested for that. How do you call him, Mom? Why do you treat me like shit? Why do you keep doing this to me? I treat you like shit. You promised me a dinner. I'm that game is exactly what I wanted to do. Come on, Andrew. A dinner. You know how you go drunk every night? Invite your wife out.